Students, BBA second year, third sem, financial management, very important questions beta. 4 units are there. First unit, important questions, 5 questions. And fifth question is the very short question. These are the first unit, very important questions beta. And next, second unit. Second unit, very important questions beta. Star mark questions are very important questions beta. And next, third unit. Sources of long-term finance. Total 7 questions are there. Sixth is the star mark question, very important question, and seventh is the long and short question also. Next, unit 4. Unit 4, only 3 questions are there. These are the very important questions of financial management BBA second year, third sem. చక్కగా చదివి రాయండి. All the best beta. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.